Let's go. Hands up. We are. I'm on it, you got top class, I'm a god team. 이 자신을부터 내 hands, my hit classic like I'm mad, like I'm nausea. I don't got 옷이 못 돌아가는 그 소리. 내가 두 레벨의 CEO지, 완벽한 스토리. 결국은 나보고 의리를 배우지, 그게 큰 형이. 여전히야 still 내 passion, 한꺼번 들어봐 my shit, 이 바다 허서 전화 박세, 못 처리해 하는 자샤, yeah. 미래 회장이 나 아주 블루. 원소중 주식에 대세야 프로. 땅에 대 곁들여 보니 너 해보니 전설이 돼가. 다시 보는 거죠 baby flex 나의 그리고서 거기 성공이 나의 계기 Entertainment is sports worldwide 너도 우리를 제대로 데뷔해 doing their part Let me tell you BTS functional 성민 J-pop let's go Sun City make some motherfucking noise Hey I need a cha-cha 반갑습니다. 여러분 안 추우세요? 괜찮아요? 어쨌든 오늘 재밌게 한번 놀아보죠. Let's go. 차례차례. 고마워 혹시 모를까봐 말할게 너는 얼굴 몸에 그리고 석여가지 10점 만점에 10점 이겨서 내가 연하지 너무 핫해 끝까지 네 맘에 너무 들어서 어머니 뭐 가라앉지 여자가 너무 많았지 나한테 모두 다른 문화 조종이지만 모두 아이돌 경기자 Oh my god this bitch 한테 한 거리게 다니요 Oh no 너랑 과거는 사귀게 돼 불금에 나가지면 볼리가 비비게 돼 I want you now in my favorite until he never girl with you every day I feel like a billionaire 명품 가방을 부조한 매도 계속 명품 가방만 사주고 싶은 여자 Show me the money 생일이 한창 전부터 원래 힙합 첫 번째는 아니어도 마지막이 되죠. 첫 번째는 아니어도 마지막이 되죠. 여러분 이 다음 곡들은 아마 뭐 아실 수도 있어요. 왜냐면 그래도 좀 유명한 곡이니까 만약에 안다면 같이 불러줘요. 알았죠? Let's go. Beautiful I could be chasing but my time would be wasted. 내가 nothing on you, baby. Come on, hey. Nothing on you, there you go, baby. They might say I, and I might say they, but you shouldn't worry about what they say, 'cause they got nothing on you, baby. Nothing on you, baby. So beautiful. I see a lot of foreigners in here tonight. Beautiful. Let's go. 이 노래 아시는 분? 그러면 제가 1, 2, 3 하면 다 같이 사비보드 불러주는 거야, 알죠? 다 같이 좋아. 오케이. Let's go. You know what it is. So city. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Hey. 모든 것이 좋아. 머리부터 발끝까지도. 이런 경우는 처음이야. 오케이. 지금 어쩔 줄은 몰라. 하늘 이전이야. 우리는 뼈보다 더 I see you, what's up? 네가 만나서 내 몸 상태야. 내가 조심하다 버리고 와. I don't care. 난 갖고 싶어, baby. 우리 부모님이 반대하셔도 친구들이 바보라고 해도 난 갖고 싶어, baby. Solo everybody 너를 생각했으니까 너를 너무 원해. 제발 Solo everybody 내가 바쁘더라도 네가 원한다면 바로 돼. So sing it for me one time. Solo everybody, solo everybody, solo everybody, solo everybody. 걱정하지마 들어와 보여줄 것만의 걸 것 같지는 않을 것 같아 이름은 모르지만 baby 사랑해 Nothing like you I just wanna know your name 첫 번째는 아니어도 마지막이 생각했으니까 너를 너무 Now watch this, come on Solo everybody 내가 바쁘더라도 네가 원한다면 하루 할게 You got me like baby, you got me like it's J-Boy, Soul City, Hey! And who wants to go to the beach? 바닷가 가고 싶은 사람. Hey, let's go. Huh? I need a cha-cha. 푸른 바닷가에 빠지고 싶어. 여자 살때어난 다가도 가득해져. 우리 노릇하는 자다 넌 필요 없어. One, two, one, two. It's a song I wrote just for love, yeah. Baby, 가슴에까지 혼자 청명동까지 잘생긴 남자들이 절대 왜 제일 작은 너 절대 뺏길 수가 없지 이렇게 좋게도 따라올 수 없지 매력적인 swag은 넘쳐보내 아니어도 나를 이렇게 봐줘 my baby 아직까지 여기저기 거기 바다 속에서 공부하게 약간 같이 걸어보게 Take that, 1, 2, 3, hey! 빠지고 싶어 여자 살게어난 다가도 가능해져 우리 너를 찾아 너 필요 없어 소용없게 들려와 Baby let's fall in love I'll be like yo no I'm so high baby work girl work I need a love 같이 줘 This is a song I wrote just for my baby This is my baby This is my baby We up baby Give me good love and we can get down baby Get down baby Bikini 입은 네 모습 보면 너무 설레네 Yeah girl I'll be serving you with 마그리타 잔들고 구름 오마 입을 맞아 우리 둘이 baby just you and me 해가 지고 나서부터 뜰 때까지 it's a party just for you 샴페인하며 터뜨리고 너의 dress 막 필요해서 So sick as I just 1, 2 정나는 바닷가에 빠지고 싶어 여자 살게어난 다가도 가르쳐줘 우리 너를 찾아 너 필요 없어 소용없게 1, 2 I'll be like yo my dog I'm so high baby work girl work 아끼야 나같이 줘 언제자 It's a song I wrote just for my baby you're my dog I'm so high baby work girl work 아끼야 나같이 줘 만들자 It's a song I wrote just for my baby Are you my baby? 여러분 재밌어요? All the foreigners in the crowd, how y'all feeling? All good? There's a lot of foreigners here. Shout out to y'all. I mean, technically I'm a foreigner too, but 상털? 상털은 뭐야? 상탈 아니야? 상털 보고 싶다고? What? My God! 여러분 이 다음 곡은 모르실 수도 있어요. 모르시면 그냥 이렇게 같이 즐겨주면 돼요. 이렇게 템포가 있으니까 You're sweet like candy 나 고마워 baby I need some sugar baby I am your neighbor Let's go Hey Baby 우리 둘 그냥 무시하고 우리 outside 마시고 같은 기분이 들어 baby 시선 걸어보는 거 아직 나는 왜 여기 오래 Make you see us falling in love Sweet like candy try to speak Korean. Let's go. 길거리를 걷다 보면 사람 머리만을 연어봐. 나는 왜 저런 길을 나설까. 난 한국말을 다시 서툴러 번역기도 전혀 도맡게. 네 맘엔 어떨까 걱정만. 어떤 말을 쓸지 I don't know. 어떤 말을 할지 I don't know. 나는 왜 이런지 I don't know. You're on my mind. 어떤 말을 쓸지 I don't know. 어떤 말을 할지 I don't know. 나는 왜 이런지 I don't know. You're on my mind. 매일 저만 생각하나. Body language도 자신 있어. 보여주기 그 just keep 이상해. 한 너를 보내 손을 땀나. 한 긴장하게 한번 웃어줘. Let me take you on a magic carpet. 아신다면 따라 불러줘. Let's go. 오늘 따라와 맑은 날씨 보름 따라 젖어 오늘 밤 손을 잡아 따라와 맑은 날씨 보름 따라 젖어 So sing 오늘 따라 여러분 그럼 한번 잡아 Hold it back. 손을 잡아 따라와 맑은 날씨 보름 달 가려져져 오늘 What? 여기가 이제 그건가? 여러분 여기 혹시 여기 힙합 팬들 많죠? 혹시 건어 누군지 아시나? 건어 알아? 건어? Fuck you mean 이 노래 알아요? Fuck you mean 만약에 아신다면 Let's go. Hey, 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 hey. You might not be ready for this one. Let's go. Hey, hey, hey. Wait. 술잔을 들어 in the air. 음악을 크게 틀어 in the air. Tonight we got no limit, baby. 에너지로 iffy, yeah, iffy, yeah, iffy. Say what? Iffy, yeah, iffy. Say what? Iffy, yeah. Say what? Iffy. DJ Summit, let's go. Drop that shit. 기분 좋은 vibe, yeah. 난 그걸 타고 있어 기분 좋은 life, yeah. 어디 가나 오늘 밤, yeah. 내 도착지는 space in stars 연락이와 전화가 와 내 목소리 듣고 싶은 내 머리도 와 손까지 다 뽑아낸 수많은 소리 But I'd rather be with you 우리 둘이 오늘 술 취하면 할 수 있는 저 음악들을 make a move Hey, we take it higher every day 손목걸이 하나하나 고르라는 걸 I hope yeah 하나에 500만 원이면 yeah 한 번 계산해 500만 원 next like T that means I'm in yeah running every day yeah 술 모아 yeah 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 나름 연소리 yeah 너무 감사해 yeah 미시가 초라다 박수도 필요 없어 꾸준히만 하면 돼 Let's get it 술잔을 들어 in the air 음악을 크게 틀어 in the air Tonight we're gonna baby So simple 1, 2, 3, hey yeah every yeah every say what 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 술잔을 들어 in the air 음악을 크게 틀어 in the air Tonight got no need baby One last time 1, 2, 3 sing it yeah every yeah every say what every yeah every 한 번 더 every yeah every what every yeah every make some noise for yourself Soul City thank you guys so much 여러분 여기 랩 좋아하세요 랩? 그럼 랩 좀 해도 될까요? Okay, let's go. I be like Seattle the soul. I control my soul, so they troll. Cause I don't be fitting everybody's typical mode. I spit lyrical gold, got a spiritual flow. Here on this coast, I'm the illest here, man. Let it be known, don't put in work on the streets. I put in work for my beats. KO these rappers, man. They see stars, counting the sheep. I'll call your writtens 7 days, cause your raps are all weak. Surprised to see a kid from K-pop spit like a beast. Any adrenaline going, be killing the raps, I be spitting everywhere, we feeling it with the beat. The rest of the birthday is that I'll be giving like 7 metrics, I be drinking them. I be thinking I'm not gonna wrestle like making these millions. Want a girl with a bad woo. Next kid, black Brazilian, mama's billion. I'm Brazilian, I do the maximum, you do the minimum. Pie, warrior, plan to support. You can call me back a millennial. Yeah, young, I keep telling me I'm done. Don't hate, bitch, you know I'm dope. Don't front, yeah. Gentlemen, but by my demolition. See me on your TV screen and people pixel bitching. Told y'all follow it easy, don't put it up, put it up, put it up, put it up. I need a blue check, blue check, fix that on me. I need a blue check, check, check the blue check. I need a blue check, check, check the blue check. I need a blue check, fix that on me. I need a blue check, fix that on me. I need a check the floor. Yeah, 내가 무대 밟을 때마다 느낌은 final. K-힙합한테 안 돼, your favorite idol's idol. 내내 곡마다 classic, put it on the vinyl. 굳게 원탑 내가 먹을게, I'm sorry I do. 쟤네들은 툭툭 자유, I'm so damn prideful. 얘들아 형은 계속 멋있었어, brother why you speaking on a culture 내가 지킬 걱정 마 bro. 다들 이용하지 말고 보태든지 가요. 여러분 별로 안 신나죠? 그냥 갈까요? 좀 더 할까요? 한 곡? 몸매? 아니 그 몸매 그냥 상탈하고 갈까? 아니 핫할? 왜 소리 질러? 남자분들 왜 소리 질러? 하는데 노노노 잡혔다. 갑자기 여러분 여기 왜 저를 불렀는지 아시는 분 있어요? 아시는 분? 왜냐면 박자범이 빠진 뭐 퍼리가 아니지. Let's fucking go! 원한다면 따라와 내 하우스를 넣어. Now you fucking with us. Oh no, no. 그리고 비싼 오늘 다 오죠. You trying out to me. Ready? So here we go. You know what it. 여성들이 지금 같은 우리 내도 지가 우리가 빠지면 버리가 아니지. 우리가 빠지면 더 크게. 우리가 빠지면 더 크게. 우리가 빠지면 소리 질러 one time. 네가 아닌 내가 아니고 내 좋아서 너밖에 없어. 그건 나만의 착각이고 세상이 흘러 돌려도 난 자꾸 기억하지 않고 자꾸 숨을 내서 나는 길을 왜 올라갈수록 나기 그리네. What's up? What's up? My take. 몸을 이겨내면 우리 부르죠. 우리 태도를 찍어주네. 후루원 그래서 눈을 봐도 몸을 나가지 가서 놀라주지 까지는 생각하면 나 정말 잘한 난 그의 자일로 그는 바로 양심선 어린애와 나의 형을 가지고 먼저 Let's go wanna 보기 전에 모든 변명이 이상형 니랑 썸을 원하는 빗발로 박지로 우리가 빠지면 거리가 아니지. 아까 복도에서 춤을 춰서 전동하지 이제 우리가 춤을 추지 I think I know 소리 질러 one motherfucking time. So city. Oh, yeah. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2. 괜찮아.
뭔지 알아? 리레이 뭔지 알아?
지금 니네 뭔지 알아 이렇게 하는 거래. 니네 뭔지 알아 이거? So I call it and I bought it and I walk down the street and rock to the beat with me on my legs and the beat is on my feet. Yo, now I'm just standing there shooting the grip, being here, my leader standing out to the fit. My leader, everybody, hey, what's the leader? Say, my leader, man. My leader do the illness, you like to stop out with it, not embrace. These players all of a sudden lose her straight. Lay down all from state to state. Down along gravel, jump over the street. I wear my gears when I rock the beat. On stage, fuck, baby, every show I go. This the deep on my feet. High top, low and low. My dealers, everybody. What's the name of this song? My dealers. Say. Now the beat is I possess for one man is red. Myself, homeboy, got beauty there. Got blue and black, cause I like to chill. Got yellow red, green when it's time to get real. Got a big head up here when I'm playing ball. What the hell inside? Let me 10 feet tall. My leader, only thing they know. Let it all night do that 7 shoes. We're black and white with black stripe. I'm going direct to where I rock the mic. On the steps of a favorite university. We took the beat from the street and put it on TV. My leaders on TV on the movie screen. I've been working on it if you know what I mean. We started in the alley, now we just got it, and I won't take a hit for the beat. Oh, that's my dealers. Hey, everybody, what's the name? Say, my dealers. My dealers. Shea Park, y'all, the legendary DMC. So, I got here yesterday, and I was shown so much love, so much respect. It feels like the last time I was here was 2008. Long time ago. But I got here, and Jay, you inspired me. You're an inspiration. My son, my group didn't talk about how number one good he is. He's great, professional, but he's very humble. And that's what hip hop is about. It's about all of us, no matter where we're from, coming together. And Jay, let me tell you this too. I was a little intimidated because you great man, you good, you real good. So I was like, man, I don't know if I want to come here and perform with this guy. He might make me look bad. But then my man Charlie Chan, he was like, "Pete, don't worry about it. You've been doing this for 40 years." But I wanted to confess to you, I've been doing it for 40 years. Night after night, show after show, rehearsal after rehearsal. Okay, I'm 59 years old. And this shit don't get easy, man. Especially coming on with you, Charlie. This shit is real tricky. I think it's very vital to rock around that night on time. even bother my father, cause he's down with me. Let me go. You rock around, that's my all time and shit. What does it mean? You rock around, that's my all time and shit. Because I know we go through drugs, you want to on your own. And y'all want to go get lost, but don't want we don't leave it alone. Everybody catch y'all, to the deal quick, let me on that shot, cause this is it. Yes, sir.
Oh yeah. Hey yo, Charlie. Oh yeah. Soul is incredible. Oh yeah. All of these people are incredible. Oh yeah. This man right here, Jake Park, he's motherfucking incredible. Oh yeah. I'm having a great time. Oh yeah. You having a good time, Charlie? Oh yeah. I know my man Kid Cudi's getting ready to come up here and make me say. Oh yeah. So, before I go, we're gonna take a little walk down memory lane. But before we do that, this message goes out to the music business. Because I don't think you'll understand, hip hop is the only genre where they will say if a rapper is over 40 years old, they shouldn't be doing it anymore. Now, you don't go up to Stevie Wonder and say, Stevie, you're over 50, you can't do soul no more, right? You can't go to Patti LaBelle and say, Patti, you're over 50, you can't sing no more. And I love rock and roll. I had a dream to be a rock star when I was a kid. I kind of fell into this hip hop, but I wanted to be a rock star. Now the Rolling Stones, I'm 59, they almost 80, they still rocking and rolling. Nobody's gonna say, Mick Keith, y'all can't do what you did when you was a little kid. Like, when you're 150 years old, you still won't be dancing and singing somewhere. So this message goes out to the music industry and all the rappers, especially the new rappers. I mean, I love a lot of the new rappers, but there's a couple that say, Run DMC, Big Daddy Kane, Chuck D, a Public Enemy, Rakim, we too old to do this. This message goes out to any rapper past, present, and future, the ones that ain't even born yet, that think about that. Because hip-hop is a culture. It's a way of life. So, to all the drama say, I don't know what you've been told. Real MCs do rock and roll. DMCs are ready for the right control. I got a question. Are you ready to rock and roll? I don't know what you've been told. Real MCs do rock and roll. DMCs have a devastating mind control. Are you ready to rock and roll? That's my man Rudy right there. My man Rudy in the house. And Waddy, what's up, Waddy? I got one question for you, Soul, before I go. Are you ready to rock and roll? Hey! Cause you know she was doing it. She told me how to walk this way. She told me to. Everybody say. Everybody say. Everybody say. She told me to. She told me to. She told me to. She told me to. Schoolgirls speaking with a classic connotation of the circus in my way of a dream. There was 3 young ladies in the school gym popping and found they were looking at me. I was a high school loser, never made it with a lady, so the boys told me so my friends. So my next door neighbor would have thought I had a flavor and they had me a little gift. Everybody say, everybody say, everybody say, she told me to, he told me to, they told me to, everybody told me to, everybody says jump, 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 you can't say I'm not. And in case you forgot, I'm a Thank you so we love y'all.
Give it up one time for the legendary OG Pioneer DMC.
Yo, before I go, I gotta thank the people that made all this possible for me. Peaches! And of course, I gotta shout out Adidas. My Adidas are your Adidas, and your Adidas are my Adidas, and these Adidas are our Adidas. Thank you.